why use a C language and not any other language? So I'll draw a little comparison here for you. And I've highlighted a couple of things, a couple of features that make the C stand apart. Today, most of the operating systems are primarily coded in C programming language. However, some of their parts are coded in assembly, like kernel modules and device drivers, because that is much more lower than the C language, and it has direct access for optimization processes. But yet, every next operating system is coded down in C. It is widely used for system programming because it has low-level capabilities. So operating system has to take advantage of all the resources available in the machine. So C is used for that. It offers direct memory access and allows efficient manipulation of the hardware resources. You do not have to go through another predefined stuff to get to the memory or utilize the memory. You have direct access, you can utilize it. And sometimes this becomes dangerous for new programmers to, when they do allocate, they do not deallocate the memory. And leakages do happen. Secondly, it is portable and can be used on different operating systems and platforms. Architectures, you have your source code for one machine, you take it to another machine and you compile it there using the compiler specific to that architecture and platform. For example, you have created on Microsoft Windows. Your source code, you take it to Linux and compile it. If it is cross-platform, you did not add anything special that is to the Windows. That is going to compile on Linux as well as on Mac. And the good part of the C is it has a huge number of libraries online available, APIs and libraries. So for any task that you can think of, you would probably find a pre-made library that you can include in your software and compile it. And it's fast execution and memory efficient management of the memory. Fast execution actually depends on the compiler, how compiler has created the binary file. It is. C language is a foundation of many other programming languages. Still many other programming languages, they're created using C. Even C compilers were coded using C. C++ was coded using C. So it's a valuable skill. If you get to learn compiler construction in the future, which is interconnected subject, it's outstanding for creating compilers. Yeah, C code can easily be integrated with assembly code for specific optimizations. You can embed assembly language within even C code. If you compile an object of C file and include it in assembly code, fine enough, but you can use assembly directly into your C code. And C is used widely in embedded systems, IoT devices, and real-time applications due to small memory footprint. If you have a very small RAM memory and the device capabilities are not good, it's just with a small processor or microcontroller, you can code in C. And many people do code in C. And it is well documented because it's widespread and has a large community of developers who can provide you support on the web, most importantly. You go to web, you ask a question, you get it answered. Learning C can improve the problem solving and programming skills due to its focus on the control and efficiency, of course. You will understand once you have completed this course that it can allow you to move to many other languages immediately. You can shift to any other languages like C++, PHP, Perl, Java, JavaScript, ActionScript. If once you have mastered the C language, you're good at it, you can move to any other languages. That's it for now.